Real quick video for the engineers at Mercedes. I know that you guys don't understand the North American market, but we use corrosive road salt. So what you're looking at there is corrosive road salt that has been splashed up from the back tires or driving over snowbanks, and it's crystallized. We haven't even put any salt down yet this year. So this is crystallized, super acidic road salt, and it is sitting on top of the compressed fabric, and that is going to create a rust point. It'll attack the tin heat shield first and places like this where it's been sitting against, but it like basically recalcifies on top of the compressed fabric and acts as a catalyst for rust as it gets wet with rain and whatnot. And again, keep in mind, this is all from last year. All that corrosive, super corrosive road salt. Actually, I've never done a pH test on it. It might be on the alkaline side, now that I think of it. Battery acid would be alkaline as well, though, right? But it's super acidic, either way. And don't eat that. And it's corroding the bottom of these Mercedes. These compressed fabric road salts just act, compressed fabric splash guards just act as a sponge. So, not a great idea. Splash guards.